The Sideways DVD contains 3 hidden Easter eggs, and one of them is seriously worth your time. Here's how to find them. Starting with Easter egg 1. From the main menu, go to Scene Selections. Now, choose scenes 13 to 16. Highlight scene 15. Now, press left on your remote. This will reveal a hidden red wine bottle. Press enter, and you'll unlock a 3-minute slideshow complete with music showing behind the scene moments from the making of Sideways. Now for Easter egg 2. Head over to the language selection menu. Now grab your remote and type in 2, then 27. This will unlock a hidden gag reel, packed with outtakes and on-set pranks that you won't find anywhere else on the disc. Finally, Easter egg 3. Go to the deleted scenes menu. Once you're there, enter 2, then 10. This unlocks a much longer hidden feature, a behind-the-scenes style spoof following a studio runner trying to expose the wild spending and partying during production. If you enjoy uncovering hidden features like this, check out the channel for more DVD secrets.